This video explains how to buy shares of Highwoods Properties Inc, ticker HIW, listed on NASDAQ. Highwoods is a real estate investment trust focused on office properties. This is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to show the typical process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker HIW to locate the listing. Make sure you select the entry that matches Highwoods Properties Inc. on NASDAQ. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Check the company name and ticker to be certain. To invest, click Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a market on open, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example, link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.